Prynhawn dda. Well, this evening marks what should have been the beginning of half term. I know many of you will be spending the next week very differently from how you would have liked. I just wanted to record this message to firstly remind parents to relax and enjoy the next few days at home with your children. Over the last few weeks, I have seen some amazing examples of how you are adapting and working with schools to continue providing education at home. But please remember, it's just as important to take some time off and enjoy family time. And to those working in all roles in our schools, colleges and universities, I would like to again say thank you to you. Diolch o galon. Please try your best to enjoy a break. It is well deserved and we will need you at your very best to face whatever challenges are to follow. And to those of you that will be working in our hub schools, well, what can I say? You are the heroes that have helped Wales respond to this pandemic, and I cannot thank you enough. Finally, and I'm sorry to have to keep saying this, but please be mindful of what you read in the UK national newspapers this week or see on social media. My team has spent this week correcting issues with media causing confusion and blurring the lines between what is happening in England and the situation here in Wales. I cannot make this any clearer. The situation in Wales has not changed. The next review point for the Welsh Government will be next week. If and when things change, I promise that you will hear directly from me. My team and I continue to work with the unions, our local authorities, scientists and teachers to plan ahead. And you have my guarantee that we will look at the evidence and advice, and we will be delivering even more on test, trace and protect before I decide to make any changes. By sharing this message, you will help me inform others, and as always, I really appreciate your support in making sure it gets to those who need to hear it. Thank you.